addicted to fear? Well then, make it your hobby to overcome it, or else it may overcome you. People may fall into this emotion even when they may not know it. Psychology today describes fear as the vital response to physical or emotional danger. Cavalier of the day, Toastmasters, and guests, a very warm good evening to you all.
Good evening.
When a giant cargo ship, Sim Sim, sank into the water, Pi was forced to spend a lot of time in a lifeboat with a hyena, a Royal Bengal tiger, orangutan, and a zebra. I'm sure that all of you must be familiar with the book Life of Pi. Soon the hyena killed both the zebra and the orangutan, and Pi knew it that he was next because the tiger made no match with the hyena because the hyena was so small. He knew that it cannot get worse for him as he was in the middle of the Pacific Ocean with no food for him. So suddenly what he did is he started searching in the 7-meter long lifeboat for some food. The first thing he did was he went into the tiger's den and started searching for food. Afterwards, when Pi passed through the hyena, he muttered, "You ugly foul creature," showing him who the real superhero was. In final analysis, Pi faced his fears here, and although he lost the battle, emerged victorious. Royal Bengal tigers are usually of 2 to 3 meters long. In one word, they can be described as trouble in a 7-meter long boat. Just like anyone else, Pi was also afraid of Richard Parker. But unlike some people, he faced the fear and made choices to fight it. At first, he was hanging to a tugboat or an oar attached to the boat, thinking what plan should he make to do next. After, when both of them became sort of friends, Pi decided to tame Richard Parker and show him who the real boss was. Hence, Pi overcame his fear from the huge Bengal tiger and achieved the ability to encourage Richard Parker and so that both of them can help each other to survive in the middle of the ocean. Now, if you ask me a question that how to overcome your fear, I would simply say that expand the word fearless. F. Face the truth. Face the truth that whatever comes in front of you, you should face it. You cannot just throw it away or think about something else. You should face it. E. Erase all the negative imprints. Sometimes you may think about the bad incidents which may happen to you, like with you or with your relatives or your friends. You should just take them out so that you can relax a bit. A. You should allow change. People naturally are afraid of having change in their life. What they should do is that allow change in their life so that they can live life more happily, because some changes can give happiness too. R. Relax. Too much accumulation of fear can give you a lot of stress or tension, and having stress in your life cannot help you live your life. Cannot help you to live your life properly. So what you should do is that you should find some time to take a break and relax yourself and relax. L. Listen to your intuition. Do what you feel like is good for you, and don't do what you feel like is not good for you. E. End fights. Sometimes there must be fights with your relatives or with your friends. What you should do is you should end those fights so that you can live happily with them. Or when you are into some problem or something, you can go and ask them for their answer so that they can help you to solve their problem. Squeamish. You can learn to be selective among your surroundings because you should select what is good for you. You should not select the bad things which are not good in your life. S. Secure yourself. Wherever you are, you should always think that you should never think that I cannot do it or this is not good enough for me. Thinking like this is not good for you. You should always make yourself secure whenever you are in a particular place. I was able to overcome his fears and face Richard Parker and also live with him happily in the boat. Over to the Galileo of the